Hey everyone, so today this is my first video and I am still a non-member, but I'll try my best to get my member soon. So this is a daily spin. So I got only 100 gems. Okay, never mind. So yes, you can see I'm a bunny and it's lagging a lot. So okay, we gotta wait. So this is my first video. I don't really know what to do, but I guess maybe one day I will be popular. So I am gonna be making Animal Jam videos and still wait, how? Okay, so why aren't, what is going on? Just can't. Okay, never mind. So as I was saying, I am creating Animal Jam videos. I really like Pepper, so please follow her. It's finally working. So I am going to make my den look more spookier than this. Only this is from the Halloween set. Okay, so I think I should... Wait, don't move. Wait, so we have the crystals that kind of looks good. So I think I'll have to buy something. Okay, I will buy the candles. Okay, it's lagging a lot and I can't do this, but at least it's less than it was. Okay. No, okay, we can buy those, just let me. Okay, I don't have a lot of gems, so yeah. Okay, so it's finally working and I got my scullies. Oh, it's big. Okay, so I think we're gonna put them maybe here. Okay, no, it has to be inside. Okay. And anyways, I'm a really big fan of Pepper and I got inspiration from her to start making those videos. And Apari also, so please subscribe to them. Where did I put those scullies? This is really cool. No, please. Here. Then this portal, where are you? Okay, so I am not a member, so I can't do this. Wait. Maybe yay, I done it. I thought it was only for for members, but now my life has changed. Okay, so never mind. So I will put one dragon. It has to be more spooky. So no. Okay, so this theme will be about making my den spooky. Okay, let's just go to Galaxy Cat for you then. Oh my god, she made it so spooky. Oh my god, this is the best den ever. Okay, I am gonna try to make it like hers. Okay, so we're gonna go get some gems. So let's first go to my den and go play. So I think I would like to play Pest Control if they have it, because on Animal Jam Play Wild I was really good, but I still haven't ended up the last one. I love Best Dressed, but Pest Control gives me a lot of gems. Okay, wait. There we go. So I think this is gonna be like boring for you, so I don't know. Let's just start. So this is a lot weirder than on the Play Wild part, because really, this is weird. My god, this is like not the same at all. Wait, what? Oh my god, I can put more. Cool. Okay, so let's just speed this up. Okay, this is a really weird video. It's my first video, so it's gonna be my first video, and don't start saying like this is so weird or something. But I know almost nobody will see this video because, okay, I am not popular and I am gonna be. This is. Oh my god, I don't have time to put those frogs in it. Oh my god, frogs. This is so weird. I didn't know this will happen. Oh my god, I am gonna be bad on the easy part. Okay, so, yes, we got this. Oh my god, I was so scared. Yes, here we go. Okay, now we can just. I'm sorry for doing this, it's just really weird. It's hard. Oh no! Yes, they all eat him. Yum 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 yum. I just need a little bit of these things. Okay, yum 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 yum. Okay, wait. Why are you eating so slowly? I can't put it faster because, you know. Oh my god, these ones I don't know how to make them. Wait, stop. God, I am so scared. Yum 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 yum. My god, they like it. Okay, so I am giving them food. They're giving me the tokens and I am living a life. So I will just put one there because you never know what will happen when I won't have money. Oh wait, I can't. Okay, so I'll just. Okay, so this is still going on, but you can see it's the wave 23. They still didn't add the ones with this. But I can at least buy it. Because, you know, maybe I will need them. Okay, this is such a weird video. It's my first video, so I'm sorry. Really sorry. So you could just not look at it. Okay, so by the way, I still can't change the name of my. Okay, never mind. This is just. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, I did it. Okay, now we can. Oh wait. Let's just try to buy something. Okay, so we can only buy this one, but at least. Lagging. Okay, it's still lagging. It took me at least 30 minutes. Okay, fine. I hope they won't do this. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. No! I told them. So now that we're waiting, so I think I have something I have to talk about. Oh, okay. I will talk about it when I will finish decorating. So here we go. And the other ones. Here we go. Here. So as I was saying, I have something to tell you all. That I am gonna start making a lot of videos. They will be daily, sometimes not. It won't be posted late, so I think you may watch it like. I don't think you will go to sleep. You can watch it the day I will post. So, okay, this was just a weird comment, but okay. So all my pets have a lot of place. Okay, here we go. But this throne will go with the trophies. This is a weird throne. I don't know why I'm putting it on, but it's like birds. Okay, I think I should put something in else. Like maybe the game. No. Okay, never mind. This den shouldn't have all those things. I don't need them. My god, no! No. I only have deers. It's like the only deer one. so you can only get deer. Okay, so we're gonna remove this. This is boring. No, come on. Okay, so I removed it because it was lagging, so I did this. So now we are going to, you never guess what, to JAMA. Wait, no. Oh, what is this? I never were here. Oh yes, I remember. This is the. No, don't go here. Where is the? Oh, it's just Halloween stuff. Okay, so we are going to play an adventure for the first video, and that's it. No, I shouldn't. It's only the training grounds. So there's not a lot of time left for my video, so just to end this up, I would like to know something about Animal Jam. This beta data. Okay, wait, where is it? Okay, here we go. So let me see. I guess that the furry hats are not on sale. Oh, hey jammers, the Night of Phantoms has returned. Join the celebration and create your own spooktacular look and haunted den. Oh wait, I remembered I have to make the spooktacular look, as they say. This is just weird. But this is my first video, so I can't change it. Okay, so I guess we don't have the furry hats. This is really lagging and I just can't get out of here. So yeah. So we're making my spooktacular look. I think I'll put this on, the trick or treat thing, then this dragon thing. It's gonna be like a little dragon. And I really can't put anything on else. Wait, so I should remove the scarf because it doesn't look spooky at all. And this, wait, like this is gonna, I have already an idea of my main outfit. It's gonna be a Arctic Wolf with rare ranger slippers because I got them and I still not remember. And it's gonna have a headdress that I'm gonna get in my next video because we're gonna try from a necklace to a headdress. And we are going to get a spike, or maybe I'll just use the scarf. Okay, so wait, I have to choose. So I'm removing this, it's not scary. Wait, no, I need my trick or treating. And the eyes, they have to be scarier. No. This is just cute. Maybe. Okay, so it's just gonna be scary. Yeah, I'll have all of this. What is this? Okay, so yeah, that's it for the day. I'll end this up. Wait, I look so freaky. So yeah, this is the end of my video, and please have fun of the end of the day, and see you next time. Bye. Oh, and subscribe now, really. Bye.